Greetings, fellow seeker. In this module, we're going to describe your backstory. We're going to engage in some counterfactual reflection. We're going to talk about growth mindset, and we're going to work out who your avatar is. I'm going to invite you to do a little bit of time travel. I'm going to invite you to slay some dragons, and I'm going to invite you to grow as a personal development practitioner. You know, your backstory, the challenges that you've faced, the adversities that you have overcome, the dragons that you have slayed, they are vital and very important snippets of information that you can bring to your own coaching persona. Because if you can locate those situations in your own past and you can work out how you overcame those situations and those challenges, it makes you a better coach or a better potential coach.